off. Today is day 364 of the year of streaming and learning to code. We are continuing on. Technically, no, we're not. I mean, we are continuing, but we aren't going to be continuing with one of these specific projects. We now are going to try and set up some form of a microsite, something to contain all of these, an index type, tiny directory, a sort of small, tiny farm for our little projects that we've mustered together so far. Now, to do that, we don't have any site to go off of, so we've got a smattering of projects to choose from on what we want to have it emulate after. I think the closest one would probably be Quest for the Holy Grail. Hey there, little kitty. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you here to celebrate day 364? Second to last day of the No. Hey, what is that? That was the space bar. Yeah, you're a space bar. I don't even know what that means, but it's true. You're covered in fur. And you're a cat. Are you clicking on? You are active. Ah, God, your claws. You were actively clicking on things. Your little toes of destruction guided us right back to Quest for the Holy Grail. We can open up the example site. What are you... Hey, Tiny. What are you reaching for? Jesus. There we go. Hopefully, everything's safe. You're very curious and destructive, tiny animal. Just realize that. Speaking of realizing things, so somehow we are going to end up with, I don't even know what our site's going to look like. I assume at its most basic core it would look very similar to something like this. Maybe not the ad bar, but there will be a menu and we'll have projects to choose from. Instead of menu items 1 through 5, we'll have projects to choose from, like so. I guess we just start chipping away at our HTML like in any other project we would configure. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Even not having a guide like Project 11, there's an overwhelming sense of uncertainty on where to go and what to do and how to proceed. We've had something to like focus on basically with each project, and that's how we ended up doing all the tutorial sites, because right after we finished Code Academy, we tried to dive into the unknown, just crack open Atom and make something. We weren't really prepared. Now we've at least got a little bit better understanding after tackling 8 of the 10 so far projects. We prepped the foundation for 9 and 10 the last 2 days. We're going to be prepping the foundation for 11 today. But with no exact example on what it should look like in the end, there's a lot of room for creativity here. We'll just go with our gut instinct, muscle memory, what we've been practicing for the last 363 previous days. We're just going to execute again today. We're going to set up the core of what we need. That way we can just hit the ground running tomorrow and construct whatever the hell we're looking to do. So with that said, we will have BDX projects microsite. We will also have a link to the following. A link to the past. Dum dum da 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 da. No, this. Any Super Nintendo fans out there, or Legend of Zelda fans? That was for you. H1, just to have anything. We're doomed. Just the confidence-inspiring quote we need to get us going. Script. Now, yesterday we remembered it's source. Damn it, it's always source. Dot JavaScript. Save, save, save. Let's go ahead and copy all of this noise. Dum 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 dum. Yes, she's alive. He is alive indeed. This is just a placeholder, so when we push our code to GitHub, which I forgot to push our code, yesterday's code to GitHub live on stream. As soon as we ended the stream, I pushed Project 10 to... Where'd it go? He should have... Code Academy. No, not Code Academy. GitHub. Yeah, right here. Like so. Repository. See that? Shopping cart. Beautiful. Set up initial files. We still need to push our actual files to the repository, which is what we are going to be doing tonight, laying said groundwork for those initial files here. So, CSS nonsense. We'll go here. Like so. As well as JavaScript stuff. Wait a second. Topher gave us some awesome notes. Although that's happened for 364 days, so it's probably not anything new to anyone in particular. It certainly shouldn't be to me, but it's still always appreciated, because frankly, it's awesome. So, and with that said, we've got our immediately invoked function expression, IIFE. Boom. There you go. Yeah. Tell your friends. Ta-da-da-da. D-D-D-D. Dum-dum-da-da-dum-dum-da-da-dum. Dum-dum-da-da-dum. We're gonna go with that. We could go with our normal function. Window. Curly nonsense. Followed by window. Like we've been doing. But we saw his handy updated version. So we're gonna rock that one. Because we can. Little kitty, what are you doing? No falling. Damn cat. Let's get rid of that. We can go ahead and save. Oh, you know what we're going to do? Let's go ahead and do JavaScript nonsense as well. Yes, yes. Beautiful. Save, save, save. Awesome. So we do have the core foundation. We are going to tinker a bit further with tonight's, more than just laying that initial groundwork. So we've got our site that we are going to try and shoot for. So the goal, don't know, it's definitely not going to look exactly like this, but the idea is to have our projects available to some degree and corral them together and a little kiddie pool of examples and evidence of what we've been tinkering with. Yeah. Hopefully. Hey, chat stuff. Topher, speak the devil. We were just going through your examples and whatnot. Well, somewhat, to some degree, but yes. And Mr. Demon Wolf, hey there. Wifey is up, that's rare. Should I get a kitty to pet while I program? Wait, is he making a site? So BDX.com is coming soon? Yeah, it is. It's our BDX projects microsite. This is like an in-between. This is going to be like the beta of our beta project site. This is going to be our own personal project. So like here, to highlight the difference, not that it matters at all, we've got BDX Inc. projects, and we've been under Twitch flying our moniker or flag of the year of streaming and learning to code as BDX Inc. Starting not tomorrow, that's still day 365. We're going to keep this going, the BDX Inc. year of streaming and learning to code, but starting day 366, January 1st, we're still going to keep the day count. We'll have day 366, but we're going to transition to BDX coding because we're going to be diversifying our stream, and we're going to have gaming stuff or gaming content, coding content, and whatnot. So where is GitHub? BDX coding. Ta-da! So all of like the future stuff that we want to do, if and when we get to the point where we're releasing apps on the App Store, whether it's for iOS or Android or just crafting things for the world at large, it should probably continue under BDX coding as we begin to continue working on our basic skills, fundamentals, and polishing things up with this microsite project regarding all of this stuff. That'll be kind of the final stepping stone as we then transition on to official software and whatnot, whatever you want to call it. So fingers crossed. Hopefully that's a decent plan. We've got to make it through tomorrow. One more day. So where's our current website? Yes, here. Yeah, my message it is. This is like the 8-ball all over. We've got not low expectations. We're very realistic, I think. Probably a touch too real. We'll work on that. Mr. Demon Wolf, soon PogChamp, soon. We are not doomed, by the way. You're just fine. Almost 1 year. The Middlemans, hey man, congrats on a year. Thank you, Middlemans. We still have one more stream technically to knock out. I'm hopeful an asteroid doesn't land on us between then and now. I mean, the only things I think that would derail us would be like, I don't know, if the Pope hit up our DMs on Twitter or Instagram and was like, sup homie, let's go get some brewskis, or if like Oprah wanted to have brunch. I think those might be the only activities that might prevent us from streaming on tomorrow's day 365. But aside from those cataclysmic type events, I think we should be okay. 10 out of 10 for music. Yep. Mr. Demon Wolf, why not get a domain and use Zoho for free email with custom domain? We could do that. I could be that guy. I'm not opposed to that. Mr. Demon Wolf or a nuke, yes. A nuke would also probably prevent us from streaming. However, it's been nice knowing to have the reassurance that Twitch set up the live streaming from the phones or like from the mobile app. So I've always had that ace in the hole on if I'm still out driving around town at like 11:40 p.m. or 2300 something with only like 15 minutes to spare, is that I can live stream me freaking out trying to rush home to get to my computer to start the stream. So we've never been too far away from not being able to stream every day. Topher, you're such a positive person. Mr. Demon Wolf, Zoho's great for free. Use it. You've used it for 3 years, then upgraded to paid. Nice, nice. All right, well we can check out Zoho. That could be a thing. I can add that to my to-do list. It's only a year long, but we're gonna get through a lot of our to-do list, I hope, sooner than later. Mr. Demon Wolf, you freak out never. Only when little kitty clicks on things that we don't want her to. The middleman's rush streams. And Mr. Demon Wolf, wifey is alive. She's not she's not died for once. Usually she is sleeping, although technically she is under the weather. So if you hear coughing, sneezing, any other odd sickly sounds, that's what's going down. So she's in recovery mode. Little kitty, are you moving? Yeah, you're moving. Good luck. We believe in you. Little kitty just moved from the napping position. Alright, let's clear out some of these tabs. We've got a lot going on here. We can use that as some general inspiration. This is what we're going to be working with. Close out of that. We don't need this, that, or you. We really don't even need this per se. We'll leave it there, just to keep momentum going. Alright. Mr. Demon Wolf, you freak out more than anyone I know, to be honest. It all seems so dire. On a small scale, I feel like the response is appropriate considering we've got so little to work with. I mean, look at this example right here. We're working with our HTML document. If we lose, the main focus is the body of it. That's just JavaScript. We've got one element. If we accidentally deleted our H1, that's a pretty big deal. All of society, as we know it at this very moment, from that tiny perspective, has since vanished. So I'm just responding accordingly to the situation at hand, if you think about it in a weird, twisted, illogical sense. Just work with me here. It's been 364 days of craziness, and it's just manifested in a very odd, eccentric outpouring of... Well, I'm not sure what we're outpouring, but it's there, so bring a jacket or an umbrella to protect yourselves from it. Let's do Command-Z. Okay, here we go. We're trying to do the following. We've got our H1. We're really not going to be tinkering with CSS too much tonight. Oh, yeah, let's not lie to ourselves. Yes, we are. We're going to be doing grid and Flexbox like there's no fucking tomorrow. So there's that. JavaScript. It's not going to be a very active site yet, but it will be. I know at some point, somehow, we're going to have... Well, you know what we need? We need a couple things. We need a div of sorts. A main div. And then inside that, we're going to need a nav bar. No, another div. We're going to need nav. And... or menu. I guess it'll be menu. Oh crap, does this mean we're already starting what we were planning on doing yesterday? No, it's fine. Just don't worry about it, it's gonna be great. Mr. Demon Wolf freak out more than anyone I know. Topher, I feel her pain and got this chest cold. Also got this chest cold. You're sick again? I thought you already survived your last round of the flu or whatever it was. Smallpox. I don't think it was smallpox. Pretty sure it was the flu. Look, it was something tragic. I hope you feel better. And damn your chest cold. I don't think that's going to help, but I hope it does. Topher, hopefully she feels better soon. Mr. D-Wolf, hopefully she feels better soon, and you not freak out as much. We should be fine. I think we've been building up to this year mark. We've had more and more anxiety as we may potentially fail. Tiny cat, what the hell are you touching? What is... Oh dear God. She's trying to sabotage. We've got... I don't think it's noticeable, but... Yeah, no, you really can't see anything. Again, we've got boxes like the first part of December, which I think like 20 plus days of December were all nighttime streams. That's so we could stream with the light off because there were boxes and shit everywhere, as I'm planning on shifting the room dynamics for the new stream setup for 2018. But now, in addition to all the boxes and crap, there's also Christmas gifts and whatnot all around me, and little kitties knocking them over. Sort of like a mini Godzilla versus the Christmas presents, but kitty edition. So, what were we doing? We were going back to the following. Let's get rid of this. Into there. We were being confused. Focusing on divs and reading chat. Healer pain, chest cold. Mr. Demon, hopefully she feels better. You not freak out. Thumbs up. Only one of them I know will happen. Yes, she will get better. No guarantees I'll stop freaking out. Topher, you do know there's a main element, right? There's a main element? Really? Huh. You learn something new every day. Especially when you're clueless like me. Makes learning real easy if you've got no foresight. Oh, Topher, sick again. Boo. Also, there's a nav element. Yes! I recall the nav element, which is why I changed the class nav to menu. I don't know, it seemed right. And then inside I was gonna chock it full of nav stuff. Maybe I shouldn't chock it full of nav stuff. No, we should. We can do that. I could be that guy. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Let's go ahead and save. Mr. Demol, this is you every day. Let's find out. Let's click the link. Where's Twitch? There's Twitch. Okay, we've got about golden. All right. Dum 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 dum. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Lie die 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 dee dee. Why have a surrounding div around nav? Should I not? Oh, I didn't know. I figured oh. You're right. That's redundant. That's the whole point. So div is just a generic element. Fascinating. So I can give it the class of menu. Oh. Huh. What do you know? Apparently, I can write the code however I want. Interesting. Well, let's get rid of this guy then. To hell with that div. And let's shimmy this back. Shift. Something. Command? Shift. Shift tab. There we go. And that probably means... Oh, I don't know if I need a div class main. I could just use a main element then. Alright, first we came here to click on the link. This is you every day. Oh dear God. Yes, it is. This is perfect. Perfectly applicable. Isn't that right, little kitty? Yeah, she agrees. She agrees. Look at you. Tiny kitty. What are you looking for? You looking to click on something? Your toes of destruction are on the enter key, but we're currently in Chrome, so you can't click on a damn thing. Oh my God, you're dragging things with your toes. Son of a goddamn quadruped. Princess, look, you're in the spotlight. You've been in the spotlight for the last year. Damn it. Can you just go to your napping position? Or maybe go to sleep on the bed somewhere? We don't actually have too much that we're going to do today, because we wanted to lay the groundwork. We just kind of wanted to get a little more life than we're doomed. So we've got a good starting point for tomorrow's stream. You know, tomorrow, day 365. That's why we've done the 364 previous days of this hellish journey. Remember that, little cat? Yeah, okay. Good talk. Love you. She's not gonna call. Alright. This is you every day. Topher, wife surrounding div. Around nav. Don't catch divitis. It sounds itchy. If you can help it, that's a nasty illness. I have it already. Feels bad. One of my files had 100 divs. Hard to cure. That kitty butt. Right, Mr. Demon Wolf? Exactly. He's trying to give the camera and the viewers their money's worth. Cat, we will need to use the keyboard that you keep walking on. Don't you knock over that webcam. You know that webcam's not for you. Oh my God, you're typing things? No, not DC. Alright, let's try to make a little progress before the room does go up in flames, exactly like the link GIF that Mr. Demon Wolf hooked us up with. Now, is it wrong to have... No, yeah, I don't need this. We live in a main thing. Shift tab, there's that. This goes in here. Cut. And we're pasting. Oh God, Command Z. Oh God. Tabbing around. It's 2 a.m. almost. Should I sleep? Absolutely. We've got about probably 5 to 6 minutes. We aren't going to be diving deep into this. I don't even think we're going to touch CSS. If we do, it'll be Flexbox and grid, nothing special. I want to save a lot of this for tomorrow. I was just trying to clear the "we're doomed" from our... You know what? We're going to keep "we're doomed." We're just going to reposition it. Cut. You know what? And we will center it. We're going to do this. Let's get rid of that. Good, good. And with that said, we've got our main, our nav. We really don't need an H1 in our nav. That's kind of strange, but we're going to keep it for now. And here... What will we do? I think we're doomed. Let's go to... Let's do main. I have no idea how many columns we're going to have. But we will eventually fingers crossed, display. Should we do Flexbox first or grid? Let's just do Flexbox first. Let's tread lightly. We're gonna dive into all the craziness tomorrow. Flexbox. Justify content. Hopefully. Is it plural? Wait a sec. No. Something's wrong. It's... My spidey senses are wildly off. That's better. Justify content. We were missing the semicolon. Damn. 364 days. Still forgetting semicolons. Death. Alright. What's happening? Mr. Demon Wolf. Wait, someone says I can sleep, Mr. Demon Wolf. Well, good night. Good night to you, Mr. Demon Wolf. Topher, after a year of watching you stream, I finally figured out your spirit animal. I figured it was similar to Little Kitty. Just, like, 6 less IQ points than her, which puts me into the negatives. TS coding, good year progress. Thank you. Not TS coding. That's T sodding. Sodding? T's silent. T sodding. TS sodding. T saw. Captain T it is. Mr. Demon Wolf. Yes, lots of affection. Good. Hello there to you. T sodding. Mr. Demon Wolf, psych. Topher, a nervous and flailing baby giraffe. For my spirit animal, yes, Topher, a nervous and flailing baby giraffe struggling to stand up. Absolutely. Tenacious Raptor, you want some projects in different languages besides web, or are you gonna be only web focused? Hit me up on Discord if you want. Noted. Thank you for that, Tenacious. We did enjoy your last project, and when we start to shift away, we will be branching out from just sort of the front-end web development stuff. In the meantime, it is easiest for us to sort of wrap our minds around. I also want to tie off any loose ends. I feel like I've learned or come across all these different tools over the last year, and I'd like to make something on my own in addition to all of the great things that Topher's hooked us up with. We still have the last 2 projects to set up, but I sort of want to have my own pseudo Project 11 where I piece them all together, even though each project's been building on itself, so really Project 10 does cover everything, and Project 9 covers most of everything, but you get the picture. So once we deal with this, once we conquer our little project's microsite, then I think I might look into checking out some other languages. We might slowly step away, following our trail of familiarity, maybe some Node.js, and other things like that. Or we may just dive into new stuff altogether, like Python. Or track down a decent C or C# class. Who knows? Who knows? Alright, continuing on. Topher, yes. But the giraffe example is perfect. Sodding, Mr. Demon Wolf, you didn't see me. Mr. Demon, good night, chat, Topher, sodding, etc. Good night, Mr. Demon Wolf. Farewell. Good night. No, good night. Just good night. Good morrow. Good times. Alright, so we were looking to basically wrap this up. I just wanted to maybe center our stuff in the meantime. Yes, good. And we'll save. This is mostly saved, and can we possibly land this bird? Refresh. Stack of death. Dum 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 dum. I totally missed a step. File. Open. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. We're gonna actually open the CSS for a random user generator. Display flex. Now, flex direction turned everything, so we had to use align items center. But I'm 93% sure we could get away with justify content center. And if we can't use justify content center there, then I think we'd use it on nav, if I'm not mistaken. Or the H1 element itself. I was hopeful to just apply it directly to main, but I'm all but certain we need to. Try it on one of the others. We'll give nav a shot. Is that? Save. Refresh. Stack of death. H1. Save, save, save. And display flex. We need to apply both. I must be missing something. My spidey senses tell me I'm wrong and confused. But why am I wrong and confused? Display flex. We should be able to just drop in. Look at that. Display flex. Justify content. Center. Diesel, the hurry up jingle. Yeah, Mario. That's the perfect tune to speed things up. Nothing says get your shit together like the timer running out in the Mario game. Now, what to do, though? Topher, which element is your flex container? Main is our flex container. But we were feeding main Flexbox. Save. Perhaps that's my issue. This is why we're using We're Doomed. People don't realize how applicable that is. Wait. Oh. Hold on. It's just flex, isn't it? It is. It's just flex, which is why it's gray. I was looking at it. I was like, why is it gray? It's because you're an idiot, Steven. Damn. It's the name Flexbox Froggy. It's right there. See this? Not Flex Froggy, but Flexbox. So in my mind, and the first line's also always grayed out. You never have to type more than once, I think. Display flex. Damn, damn, damn. You only deal with everything else below it. Oh. Boo. Bad Steven. Rookie mistake. Day 364 and I still have to sleep in the hall. And lose a finger. This blows. Alright. Fine. We'll play it their way. Back to this. Refresh. See that? See that? Everything's great now. Typical. Typical. Gopher. Which element is your flex container? Display flex on the container element. Death. Yet everyone else knew what was wrong. And Cecil. Is it flex or flexbox? You have flexbox. I have the wrong answer. That's what I had. I had broken code. Typical. 364 days of nonsense. Yeah, that's right. Can't believe this. Alright, well, that's, I think, is our basic foundation for tomorrow to continue building out. At least we got over the flex fiasco, and we came to terms with we don't need divs galore in our code. Apparently we don't want to be this guy. Oh, well, that didn't actually quite work out as tragic as I thought it was, but it was going to be div, and then div, and then div. This is awful. And now we know. The more you know, damn it. Reading Rainbow. I think we're good. Let's back out of this. Let's go ahead and land this bird. Cecil, don't beat yourself up. I'm learning Kotlin right now. Kotlin? Kotlin. Something with a K, which is fun. Because how often do you get to use the letter K, right? Right now, and I'm confused as hell half the time. Well, if it's any consolation, I've been confused every single day this year. Ta-da! Yeah. It's been awesome. Speaking of awesome things to do, we should save, because that would be really great now that we fixed our flex fiasco. And we forgot to commit and push last night to GitHub. Let's go ahead and commit and push tonight. We can get rid of this. I don't know if we're going to do a drop-down menu. We have so many directions to go. I don't know if we're going to have a static menu on the side or a menu across the top or drop-down menus. We've got a lot to tinker with. Let's close out of that for now. We can crack open GitHub. We can push what we've got in the meantime. I think tomorrow is... what's it called? Well, tomorrow is New Year's Eve. People are busy at night. And I believe I will be doing something at night. I have no idea what. So we're going to try and shoot for more like a midday stream. I think 2 p.m.-ish. Maybe somewhere closer to 7. Midday, late afternoon. Who knows? Doesn't matter if you miss it. There's 364 VODs to document and archive everything. But the point is that we will find a way to stream tomorrow. Damn it. 365 days. Year of streaming. Shit happened. Some of you were there. That's all that matters. We need to commit and push this noise. Let's open up the desktop app. Set up initial files. Beautiful. Command all. Copy. And we're pasting. And we're committing. Push that noise. Closing out of that. Well, I guess we celebrated a little too early. No, we didn't. Updated 14 seconds ago. Yeah, beautiful. Good times. Let's go ahead and back out of this into OBS. Thank you again to anyone and everyone who stopped by to view the stream. Today we had Topher, Mr. Demon Wolf, the Middlemans, Tenacious Raptor, as well as T-Sodding, and C-Selectomy. Thank you again, everyone. Good night and good day to you. Day 364 comes to an end. However, the adventure continues tomorrow for day 365 of the year of streaming and learning to code. There will be a day 366. Different moniker, different day. But this journey will continue. In the meantime, we are stopping the stream. Are you sure you want to stop the stream? Hell yeah. Kill it!